Alrighty. Let me see if I can get this where I want it. There we go. Welcome back, everybody. It's going to be another crafting time at the Pixie Dust and Chaos. I figured I'd show just a small, little quick thing. A lot of times my crafts will involve repurposing old finds at like thrift stores or garage sales or whatever, and then sometimes like at a thrift store you'll have some Sharpie marker or permanent marker of some sort on it, just totally marring it. Real easy to take care of. Nail polish from wherever, the cheapest nail polish you can find, that's fine. I got this at the Dollar Tree. You guys will find that I love the Dollar Tree. Cotton ball, cotton swab, whatever, dip it in. I poured some in the cap just to make it a little easier to handle. Dip it in and just start wiping away. Now if there's like some glue residue, like this was taped together when I bought it, so there's a little bit of packing tape residue, I can rub that on there and that'll get that residue off of there as well. You can turn over. You can also use makeup sponges, anything that's absorbent to hold the nail polish remover. My handy dandy wet wipes, just to wipe the acetate away. And there we go. Clean plate, clean cup, ready for a craft. Alright, if you like this video, click subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, share it, like it, save it, and with that, I'll catch you on the next one.